What is del x by del epsilon? x1.
x1 minus x13.
Then what is the next term? Del y by del epsilon क्या है? y13. So this is x23. y23 ऐसा है?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the inverse of this? उल्टा करके बताओ क्या उल्टा
y23
y23
minus y13
y13
minus x23
x23
x13
Or divide by x13 y23 minus x23 y13.
Okay, so I believe you. And then you have this, right? And that will be x13 y23 minus y13 x23. Okay. So now we have J inverse. What do we need? We need this. This we have. No, this we don't have. Okay. This we don't have, but we can simply say that del u by del epsilon will be u13 and del u by del eta will be u23. Del v by del epsilon will be v13 and v23. Is it not? So u is here. So del u by del epsilon will be u1 minus u3, u13, right? So it should follow the same order. Okay? So now I don't need, oh, I do need this thing. I need J inverse, but I don't need this. So now I have all the values. No? I have del u by del x. So what will be del u by del x? Del u by del x will be this into that. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is equal to J inverse into that. So del u by del x is the first row of this into that, right? So then what do I need? I need the first row of J inverse. So now I am writing straight the first term of strain matrix. This is pretty simple. In quadratic element we arrived at strain after a long matrix, right? So I am going to write E11, well actually E1, which is del u by del x, which is EXX. In this case, EX is equal to 1 by, so this, and then I have y23 into what? y23 into del u by del epsilon, which is u13, and then plus I will have minus y13
u23
into
U2.
v. No.
u
Where is del u by del eta? u23. So y13 u23. Done. Then E epsilon y is del v by del y. That will be equal to what? We don't have del v by del y here. So I can write another one. So del v by del x and del v by del y will be equal to J inverse into del v by del epsilon and del v by del eta. Okay? So I need del v by del y. So that will be equal to the lower row into that. Okay. So the lower row is, so this is going to be same, and the lower, so minus x23
Y13
into V13.
V13
So minus x23 into V13, and then I will have x13
V23
into V23. So x13 V23. Okay. Now I need epsilon xy, which is equal to half. So gamma xy will be equal to del u by del y plus del v by del x. And so what is del u by del y? Del u by del y is here. This is lower row of this into that. Okay. So इसको करो, कुछ तो करो, उससे पेन ले लो, करो, ले लिया, वेरी गुड. माइटी बताओ मेरे को कितना आया? तुम्हारा आया? नहीं है? What happened? Del u by del y. So you have u here. Differentiate. You have to do the differentiation with respect to y. So you need j into del u by. So you need actually both of them. So this we have done, no?
Yes, yes.
So del u by del y will be minus x23 into del u by del epsilon is u13. Then I have x13 u23
Yes, sir.
x13 u23. This will
Minus x23 v1
x23
v1
V13
v13
माइनस से नेगेटिव होगा.
सही नेगेटिव वो
ये नेगेटिव है.
हाँ.
उसके बाद ये पॉजिटिव है.
यस सर.
बोलो
x13 V23
x13
V23
v23. Okay. So now we have the strain thing. I don't need all this, huh? Oh, determinant है सब जगह. ठीक. What might be done is that I'm just giving you some good dreams or nightmares, I don't know. So, for example, in the exam, I might give you the shape function for a triangle which has nodes like this. And then you'll have to do the same thing. ठीक है? कर लोगे? तो प्रैक्टिस करो ट्यूटोरियल में. क्या क्या just you are not only sharing pen. हाँ? कुछ गलत है इधर? गलत है? हाँ, determinant करना है. Everywhere there is determinant. Okay? क्या? देखा क्या? देखा है? Determinant भी. Okay, so we have this now. So what do we need to do? हाँ? गड़बड़ है? किसी और ने कैलकुलेट ही नहीं किया.
सही है सर, वही आ रहा है.
ये सही है?
हाँ.
So then I'm not listening to you. Okay, so now we have this. What do we do now? We will write the whole expression. So strain will be equal to by determinant तो करना ही है. So determinant, oh, किधर गया? You tell me the determinant value.
y2 नहीं
y23
हाँ,
x13
y23 x13
माइनस
minus
x23
x23
y13
हाँ बोलो.
इसका सही लग रहा
हाँ?
है, इसका वाला सही लग रहा है.
तुम चेक कर रहे हो सबका, खुद से कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो.
नहीं सर, मेरा भी थोड़ा ऐसे ही आ रहा था, फिर मैं रुक
थोड़ा
गया कि आप कर रहे हो तो
So now you do it and tell me the right expression. करो. अभी तो मैंने सब wipe out कर
इसका
दिया.
पहला टर्म सही है, स्टार्टिंग वाला.
I del y I need ना. So that will be the lower. So tell me the Jacobian. Jacobian क्या है?
inverse
Inverse Jacobian.
y23
y23
minus y13
y13
minus x23 x13
x
13
13 and then I must multiply this with what? So del u by del y will be equal to del u by del epsilon into del epsilon by what?
del u by del epsilon
What is the term here which was coming?
u13
Here